Cheese! You're in a good mood. You're always in a good mood when you can rub food on your face. Yeah. Cheese! So what you eating? Mmm, yummy. There's one piece, there's another piece. What's that? Thank you. Thank you, it looks yummy. No, it doesn't, actually. But you look beautiful. Beautiful. Can you say bye? Bye bye. Can you say bye? Nope, not with your hands full, huh? Cheese. What? Did you just stuff that whole thing in your mouth? Yay, good job. Good job, let's see. Are your hands sticking together? Heck yeah. No, don't touch. No, 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 no. I know you want to. Okay, smile one last time. Cheese.